Here I have Samsung Galaxy A8 2018 and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here you have to find and select the list of all applications, choose settings, then scroll down and select general management. Afterwards you need to choose reset right here. From the following list, let's choose reset settings. Let's tap reset settings again, and all settings will be reset to their defaults and it cannot be recovered, so you have to be aware of this. If you would like to still accomplish that operation, tap reset settings one more time. The device is restarting and resetting all customized settings, so let's just wait a few seconds until the whole operation will be done. That's it, now you can unlock your screen and start using your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.